Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this gatefold card with the Prettiest Birthday bundle. So this fun gatefold card was made with the Prettiest Birthday bundle. This bundle is in the mini catalog. When I first saw it, I knew I had to get it because I really love the banner and the balloon banner, and I love the script font and the sentiments, and I really love this label die. So pretty. So for this gatefold card, I started off with a 5.5 by 8.5 piece of cardstock, and I scored at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. I'm going to double check my measurements down here on my little handy dandy measuring tape that I have down here. That's correct. I'm going to check it here. I just want to triple check it before I tell you something. I don't want to tell you something that's incorrect. So if I measure it here like this, we've got 6, should be 6 3/8. Yes. So 2 1/8 and 6 3/8, and that's going to get us our nice gatefold card. And then we're going to decorate the front with some Designer Series paper from the Hydrangea Hill Designer Series paper. I really love this Highland Heather paper right here, and I'm gonna do Pool Party with it. I really love Highland Heather and Pool Party together. I think they're a really pretty color combination. If you want to, you could just layer with DSP. You don't have to add additional cardstock, but I thought it would be nice, since I colored the balloons in Pool Party, to add the additional cardstock so that it coordinates. So I'm just going to add this on here. All right, I've already cut out and colored my balloon banner. And I'm going to attach one to the left side and the other one to the right side so that it opens like this. And I'm going to attach them with dimensionals. So I've got a couple here. So I'll just do one. Probably. So I'll just center that. And if you wanted to, you could even do the label here as well, and then center this better. I'm not going to do the label, so I'm bringing mine up higher, but you could tuck this under and center the label, and then add it to one of the sides, like the right side, and it could open like this and then tuck in like this. I think that would be cute. Instead of stamping "wishing you the happiest of birthdays" there, you could stamp it out here. What do you think? So you could do that. That's an option. I'm going to stick with my original card here, and I've got my cake stamped, colored, and cut out. So I'm just going to stamp the inside with Highland Heather. I've got my banner. So I'm gonna ink up my banner and stamp it across the top. And then I've got my sentiment, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, that I'm gonna stamp in the middle. And then I'm going to adhere that down before I put the cake on a dimensional. And then I'm just going to add a dimensional on this cake here. And just put it here on the bottom. You could stamp the cake down there too, but I thought it would be kind of fun to cut it out, put it on a dimensional. Or you could put the cake, you know, do a little circle or a little label and then add the cake in front. There's so many things that you can do with this Gatefold card. I'm offering a free card kit with this Prettiest Birthday bundle, which includes these supplies for these 6 cards. When you purchase the bundle, you will receive this kit for free. Just use this March hostess code, or you can place a $30 order and email me and let me know that you would like this Prettiest Birthday card kit, and I will send it out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on the Prettiest Birthday bundle. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.